the local badge of the Zen crypto stage sent off in 2022. However, what is XEN? We should investigate and see what we can learn about it. And furthermore, analyze a portion of the XEN cost expectations that were being made starting around the 19th of December 2022. What is XEN? In the realm of digital currency and blockchain innovation, there are, at last, two various types of crypto, despite the fact that where the separating line lies is to some degree easily proven wrong. One is the distinction among coins and tokens. In case it isn't already obvious, each crypto is a token, however few out of every odd token is a coin. This appears to be a minor qualification on the off chance that you don't have the foggiest idea about your crypto at the same time. In the event that you do, it's significant. Set forth plainly, coins depend all alone blockchain, while tokens depend on another person's. While this can prompt some naming disarray, on the grounds that cryptos with coin in their name are in some cases everything except. And there is the topic of characterizing the couple of blockchain-less cryptos like Wave. This is a decent specialized part. Another is between Bitcoin, the first, most popular and biggest cryptographic money, and altcoins, which are, to utilize the basic definition, each and every other coin that isn't Bitcoin. For sure, it very well may be contended that any crypto, even tokens, can be depicted as an altcoin by that definition. One more gap in the realm of digital currency separates that of the bigger cryptos and the more modest ones. There is a hypothesis that this split is to some degree counterfeit, all things considered. There are a lot of cryptos that have been a quite enormous thing and afterward wound up disappearing into indefinite quality. Similarly, there are many instances of coins or, almost certain, tokens that have been someplace in the far-off foundation just to have shot to unmistakable quality for reasons unknown. One issue here is with the manner by which financial backers and potential financial backers treat bigger and more modest cryptos. Greater cryptos frequently will quite often draw in financial backers who clutch them for some time prior to selling them. At the point when enough individuals begin selling, different financial backers will quite often stress over the cost, which, in the event that market influences turn out as expected, will have begun dropping, prompting the exemplary siphon and dump execution. Then again, more modest cryptos frequently stay there, with most of the coins and tokens held by pioneers and early adopters, influenced positively by the exhibition of the crypto market in general. Zen Crypto is a stage that is pointed toward taking care of this issue. The plan's own local token, XEN, is intended to be open, straightforward, and fair. The framework permits individuals who have Ethereum wallets to mint XEN with them. There is no restriction to the number of XEN can exist, in spite of the fact that, to cite the framework's white paper, XEN has no cap. But as an ever-increasing number of individuals join and partake in printing, it will be more enthusiastically to produce more XEN because of normally slanting reception bend, which is logarithmic in nature. This will make XEN tokenomics disinflationary in nature. Zen Crypto was established in 2022 by a Jack Levin, who professes to have worked for Google prior to becoming keen on digital currency. While there is a Jack Levin who worked for the tech monster during the 1990s, there has been some hypothesis with respect to whether this is a similar individual or another person claiming to be him. It is vital to recollect that, since XEN depends on the Ethereum blockchain, it is a token instead of a currency. You could see references to such things as a XEN coin value, XEN cost history. How about we currently cast our eyes over the XEN cost history? While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the brief period that it has been around can assist with giving us some significant setting to one or the other make or decipher a XEN cost forecast. XEN originally went onto the open market on the 9th of October 2022. It opened at $0, however its cost then, at that point, spiked because of developing interest in the token, and it arrived at a record high of $3.68 sometime thereafter, which as of now remains as the symbolic's unsurpassed high. It merits bringing up that not long after it emerged, the token was accounted for to have experienced an assault after somebody worked out a method for stamping it without paying any gas charges, albeit the crypto has likewise been considered liable for an enormous number of ETH consumes. From that point forward, however, once more, it fell down and, on the 31st of October, it tumbled to a low of $0. From that point forward, there was some recuperation and it came to $0 the 2nd of November. It then dropped down, and the rut turned into an accident when the breakdown of the FTX trade saw the cost of XEN drop to $0 the 21st of November. There was then a recuperation to $0 the 23rd of November, before it tumbled down again, arriving at an untouched low of $0 the 19th of December 2022. It is likewise important at this stage that there is no course figure for the crypto, meaning it doesn't have a recorded market cap. XEN cost expectation gathered together. With that all said and done, we should now investigate a portion of the XEN cost expectations that were being made starting around 19 December 2022. Taking note of 2 or 3 things here is significant. To begin with, cost gauges, particularly for something as possibly unstable as another digital money, frequently turn out to be off base. Second, some long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change whenever. To start with, illustrated a XEN cost forecast that said the token could reach $0 year from now and $0 2024. By 2025, the site said XEN could exchange at $0 happen to $0 2027 and $0 2028 and close the 10 years at $0. The site then proceeded to make a XEN cost expectation for 2030 that said it could reach $0, it could ascend to $0 2031. Then, had a XEN token cost expectation which saw the crypto exchange at $0 the finish of 2023. Preceding it made a XEN cost expectation for 2025 that saw the symbolic beginning the year at $0 close it at $0. In the meantime, had a XEN crypto cost forecast that said the token could be esteemed at $0 the finish of 2022. By 2023, the site said the XEN could be valued at $0 year from that point, and in 2025, $0. By 2026, the site thought the Zen crypto could reach $0 happen to $0 2027. A year from that point, the token could exchange at $0 prior to completing the 10 years at $0. By 2030, the site thought the crypto could be valued at $0, with it figured to hit $0 2031. At long last, had a fairly critical XEN cost expectation for 2023, saying that the token could tumble to a simple $0 the 19th of December 2022. While considering an XEN token cost forecast, it's critical to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital currency coins or tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and central examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any venture choice. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns, and never exchange with cash that you can't stand to lose. It is difficult to say. A ton will rely upon whether the token can recuperate from current lows. In unstable digital money markets, it is vital to do your own exploration on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your venture portfolio. Whether XEN is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you expect to contribute, among different elements. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns, and never put away cash that you can't stand to lose. It is difficult to say. A ton will rely upon whether the token can recuperate from current lows. In unstable cryptographic money markets, it is essential to do your own exploration on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your speculation portfolio. Whether XEN is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you expect to contribute, among different elements. Remember